Let's start Lesson 4, Eating Habits of Animals. Learning Objectives. What do animals eat? How do animals eat? Food chain. Let's start learning. Like other living things, animals also need food to live, to get energy and to stay healthy. We know that there are different animals that live around the world. Different animals have different food habits. Some animals eat plants, some animals eat flesh, and some animals eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Let's read to learn about them. Animals like tiger, lion, puma, cheetah, hyena, jaguar, leopard, wolf, and fox eat flesh of other animals. They are known as flesh-eating animals or carnivores. They have sharp and pointed teeth to tear the flesh. Animals like goat, horse, rabbit, cow, buffalo, deer, and zebra eat only plants and plant products. They are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. Domestic animals get food and water in their sheds, while wild animals move from place to place in search of food and water. Tiger hunting its prey, cow eating grass. For the teacher, discuss in the class about food eaten by various animals. Also explain them about food chain. Give examples of different food chains. Fact time. Animals that are tamed by humans are known as domestic animals. Horse, cow, goat, etc. are domestic animals. Some animals like bear, crow, rat, zeroboas, and dogs eat plants as well as flesh of other animals. They are known as omnivores. Fact time. Lionesses are better hunters than males and do most of the hunting for a pride. Crow eating grains. Bear eating flesh. Fact time. Elephants spend about 16 hours a day eating. How do animals eat? We know that different animals eat different kinds of food. They have mouth parts suitable to the food they eat. The shape and the size of their teeth suit their food habits. Animals like cows, goats, camels, etc. are herbivorous. They eat only plants. They have sharp front teeth to pluck and bite the leaves of the plants. These animals also have strong and flat back teeth at some distance from the front teeth. These back teeth help them to chew the food properly. Carnivores such as tigers, wolves, lions, etc., which eat the flesh of other animals, have very sharp, pointed, and curved front teeth. These teeth help them in tearing the flesh of other animals. They also have strong, grinding teeth in the back of their mouth. Some animals like snakes, frogs, and lizards swallow their food without chewing it. They swallow their food directly from the mouth. A snake can swallow animals which are bigger than it. Such animals have no biting or chewing teeth. Fact time. Some animals like rabbits and squirrels have a pair of very sharp, long front teeth to bite their food. They bite and gnaw their food with their teeth. Elephants have trunks that they use to have their food. They take the food from their trunks and into the mouth. To drink water, elephant sucks water into the trunk. Then it curls and blows the water in the mouth. But imagine, how does a butterfly and frog eat food? The bees, mosquitoes and butterflies suck the food from their source with the help of a long thin tube attached to their mouth. A frog catches its prey with its long sticky tongue. When the prey sits on its tongue, it rolls the tongue back into its mouth. Fact time. Animals killed by carnivores are called prey and they are called predators. Let's discuss. How does a dog and a cat drink milk? Discuss in the class. Try your bits. How does the following animals eat food? Elephant, frog, cow. Food chain. All the animals depend on plants directly or indirectly. For example, a deer eats the plants and a lion eats the flesh of deer. Thus, A chain is formed by plants and animals. This chain is called food chain. Food chain shows how plants are eaten by animals and animals by other animals. It shows the process of eating and being eaten up. Grass, deer, lion. This is a three-step food chain. Let's read one more example of a food chain. A grasshopper eats plant, a frog eats the grasshopper, a snake eats the frog, and the eagle eats the snake. Fact time. Large number of food chains combined together form a food web. Let's revise. Like all living things, animals also need food to get energy and to stay healthy. Herbivores are animals that eat only plants and plant products. Carnivores are animals that eat flesh of other animals. Omnivores are animals that eat plant as well as flesh. A food chain is the chain that shows how various animals are dependent on plants and each other. Points to remember: gnawing food, biting of nuts and seeds slowly, chewing the cud, chewing the food in mouth for hours. Food chain. The animals that are useful to humans.